Hello driving intelligence community. It was a long afternoon working on this truck, 2002 F-150, replacing the timing chain. I've got the timing set off, the original. It's all Ford, looks like it's all original Ford. I've got the oil pump in place, the high volume oil pump I wanted to put in this. I took the old one off and it was very difficult to get that off. That was definitely a bourbon bolt and I'll show you that in a moment. You can see all the parts in the back. I've got everything staged to go back together now, so there's nothing left for me to do except reassemble, and that will start tomorrow. I've now got my nice new shiny parts. Got the milling oil pump in here, that's the high volume unit. And in here, I've got my milling timing sets, new guides, chains. What I was really looking for were these cast iron tensioners. So my next important step was to make sure that the cams don't rotate when I take the chain off. So I've used vice grips on the cam, not on the lobes obviously. I've done that on both sides, and now I can take all the tensioner components, chain components, out. And now for the bourbon bolt of the day. That one bolt that the automotive engineers wanted to make sure was as difficult as possible to drive you to the bar after you finished your maintenance activity. I'm finally getting this oil pump out. This is your oil pickup tube. There's many videos on the internet, and a few of them make it look a lot easier than it is. This took me a long time to get this loose. You got these 8mm bolts. I've got an 8mm angled ratchet, but this is too thick. And I've also got this 8mm box wrench that's angled on the end, which is what really helped me get it out. But what you really need is a box wrench like this that's ratcheting, that has a swivel end on it, as they show in the video. But this is tight. I mean, you've got to have small fingers to get in there. Mine are not small. But at least now I can get my oil pump off and get on with this project. The timing set and the pump, the oil pump, are removed. I don't see any problems with these guides. I don't know if they're the original. I don't think the chain's ever been replaced. But I was thinking they're going to be pieces and worn indications on this, but they're all in pretty good shape. But for some reason, the chain on the driver's side was slapping loose, and maybe it had something to do with the tensioner. I can't tell anything by looking at it. 217,000 miles. It's time to put a whole new system on this anyway.